With iOS 17.3 and macOS Sonoma 14.3, collaborative playlists have been added to the Music app for Apple Music subscribers. Let's start on Warren's iPad. First, he's subscribed to Apple Music, which is a subscription service that gives you access to millions of songs, albums, playlists, stations that can be streamed or downloaded. Collaborative playlists will only work for those that are subscribed to the Apple Music service. Over in the sidebar of the Music app are my playlists. For this lesson, we're going to work with this TMU Collaborative playlist, which I've already added a few songs to. In the upper right, we now have a collaboration button. Tap and we're able to turn this into a collaborative playlist. Turn on this toggle to control who can join the playlist. With this turned off, anyone with the link or the QR code will be able to join and edit the playlist. Tap Start Collaboration and a share sheet comes up where I could start sending invites via AirDrop, messages, or email. From the Collaborate button, we can also invite people by sharing the link, or someone nearby can just scan the QR code for this playlist. Let's bring in Drew's iPhone and use it to join the playlist using the QR code. That adds the TMU Collaborative playlist to the Music app on Drew's iPhone. He's now able to add songs to it. Songs can be added from any of his playlists or albums, as long as they're available in the Apple Music library. Those additions are visible right away over on Warren's iPad. Tap to play one of the songs, and from the main playback screen, we're able to send emoji reactions. Those reactions are displayed in the playlist for all users. Each collaborator is going to be able to edit the playlist. So Warren on the iPad can remove songs that were added by Drew. Drew will also be able to remove songs from the playlist from his devices. Warren could also then add a few more to the playlist. From up in the Collaboration button, notice that Warren is the only one that can stop the collaboration. That's because he started the playlist and is known as the owner. He can also remove other collaborators. Drew also has the ability to leave the playlist if he wants. If you're an Apple Music subscriber and would like to join this playlist, just scan the QR code here, or I'll have the link to the playlist in the description of this video. So this can be a really fun addition to Apple Music if you want to share songs that you enjoy with other friends and family.